Dear students, yesterday's class we completed the combinations concept. Today we are discussing permutations. In permutations, so many important questions are there. Those questions we are discussing today. In permutations, first we are discussing the 1 mark questions. Very important 1 mark questions. N minus 1 P3 is to NP4 is equal to 1 is to 9, find N. N minus 1 P3 is to NP4 is equal to 1 is to 9, find N. Dear students, N minus 1 P3, N minus 1 you write 3 times back. N minus 1, N minus 2, N minus 3 by NP for N you write 4 times back. N, N minus 1, N minus 2, N minus 3 is equal to 1 by 9. N minus 10 minus cancel, N minus 1, N minus 1, 1 by N is equal to 1 by 9. N is equal to 9 over. It's a simple, easy, understandable question for 1 mark. Legend born, how are you? Yeah, I'm always fine, Mr. Next question. In 1 mark we are discussing one more question. ಇವಾಗ Mayna, who is this legend bro? How are you? Oh, my sister, I think. I don't know who. Next question. Another 1 mark question. That is in factorial notation they will ask. 1 by 6 factorial plus 1 by 7 factorial is equal to x by 8 factorial. Find x. 1 by 6 factorial plus 1 by 7 factorial is equal to x by 8 factorial. Find x. I'll some shortcut, dear students, by solving this question. What is here 8 factorial now? 8 8s are how much? 64. Answer you will get 64. Shortcut. Here 8 is there. 8 8s are 64 answer. Proof. 1 by 6 factorial plus 7 factorial you write 7 into 6 factorial. X by 8 factorial you write 8 into 7 into 6 factorial. Take 1 by 6 factorial common. 1 plus 1 by 7. That is equal to x by 8 into 7 into 6 factorial. 6 factorial cancel. Take LCM. 7 ones are 7 plus 1 8 by 7 is equal to x by 8 into 7. 7 7 cancel. Cross multiply. X is 8 8s are 64. I said no shortcut. Like that. Understand? Here 8 factorial is there, no? 8 8s are 64 will come. Okay. So factorial notation you need to use while solving this question. Factorial notation. Okay. Oh. Dear students, I will move to the next question. Now I will move to the 2-mark question, particularly permutations. 2-mark question. 2 marks. 2-mark question. How many 4-digit numbers? Very important question. This will, now I am discussing 2 marks or 3 marks or 4 marks. I am not sure which question they will. 2 marks, 3 marks, 4 marks, all it will cover. Okay. How many 4-digit numbers are there with no digit repeated? With no digit repeated. With no digit repeated. How many 4-digit numbers are there with no digit repeated? How to solve this question? It's not big difficult, it's easy. But dear students, what are the given digits? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This is not given in question, but we need to consider. We want to form a 4-digit numbers with no digit repeated. We want to form a 4-digit number with no digit repeated. Dear students, here 10 numbers are there, here 4 places are there. N is 10, R is 4. How many ways? NPR ways. That means NPR, NP4, NPR, NP4. But minus, if I kept in the first place 0, it is not a 4-digit number. I included that also, we need to subtract that. Except 0, how many numbers are there? N is 9, R is 3, minus 9P3. 10P4 means 10 into 9 into 8 into 7 by 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 minus 9 into 8 into 7 by 3 into 2 into 1. 4 to the 8, 8 cancel, 3 times. 3 times, 2 4 times. 210 minus 84. How much you will get answer? 210 minus 84. 126. Correct, no? This is the answer. So I want to form a 4-digit number, no digit repeated. So out of 10 numbers, 4 places, 10P4. But in first place 0 means we can say it is a 3-digit number. We included in this, we need subtract. So close 0, 9 digits. Close 0, 3 places, 9P3. 10P4 minus 9P3. Expand, you will get the answer. Clear? Dear students, you are watching PK Maths channel live. Every day 6 to 7 you are getting the first PUC midterm revision chapters. 7 to 8 you are getting second year midterm revision chapters. Follow PK Maths channel, please subscribe it, press bell button for regular updates. We are discussing permutation concept. In yesterday's video, we discussed the combinations. Today, we are discussing the complete permutations, 1 mark, 2 marks, 3 marks, 5 marks, 4 mark questions. Dear students, you are watching PK Maths channel. Live streaming is going on 6 to 7. First PUC midterm revision. Next question. Another 3 mark question, important question now. Before the 3 marks, one more 2 mark question we'll discuss. A coin is tossed thrice. A coin tossed 3 times and the outcomes are recorded, how many possible outcomes are there, list them. How many possible outcomes are there, list them. How many possible outcomes are there, list them. Dear students, a coin is tossed 3 times means total number of outcomes. Coin contains 2 faces, head and tail, no? So 2 power 3. 2 power 3 means how much? 8 outcomes are possible. They said list them. How to list that outcomes means, when shortcut you can use 4 times head, 4 times tail, 2 times head, 2 times tail, 2 times head, 2 times tail, single time head, tail, head, tail, head, tail, head, tail. Total outcomes are 8. So 2 mark question, dear students. For finding 2 cube 8, 1 mark. For writing all the outcomes, 1 mark. Total 2 marks. Next question. Find R, comma, if 5 into 4PR is equal to 6 into 5P R minus 1. 6 into 5P R minus 1. See, 5 into 4PR formula, 4 factorial by 4 minus R factorial into R factorial is equal to 6 into 5 factorial by 5 minus R plus 1 factorial into R minus 1 factorial. 5 into 4 factorial by 4 minus R factorial into R factorial, right? R into R minus 1 factorial is equal to 6 into 5 factorial, right? 5 into 4 factorial by 5 plus 1, 6 minus R factorial into R minus 1 factorial. This term cancel, 4 factorial cancel, 5 cancel. 1 by 4 minus R factorial is equal to 6 by 6 minus R factorial, right? 6 minus R into 5 minus R into 4 minus R factorial. This term cancel, cross multiply. 6 minus R into 5 minus R is equal to 6. Multiply. 30 minus 6R minus 5R plus R square minus 6, 0. R square minus 11R plus 24 equal to 0. R minus 3 into R minus 8 equal to 0. R is equal to 3, 8. In NPR, N is greater than or equal to R. So R is always 3, not 8. See, because if you observe, the N value is 4 here and 5 here. The value of N is always more than R. So R you cannot take more than N. So R value always small will come. Understand? Copy it. No, bottle marchunte ne Anjaya Devasthanam తీసుకుంటా. Anjaya. Hey, dress change చేసుకో, బట్టలు ఎక్కడ రాలే అని ముట్టుకుంటున్నావు అంటే very important question for 2 or 3 marks they will ask in the examination. 8 o'clock. Next question. Next question. If you see in textbook, dear students, question number 147, page number 147, example 16. Page number 147, example 16. Very important exam point of view. Find the number of arrangements of the letters of the word independence. In how many of these arrangements do the words start with P? Question number 1. Question number 2. Do all the vowels always occur together? Do the vowels never occur together? Do the words begin with I and end with P? This is the question, dear students. So, see in textbook, page 147, example 16. We have independence. It's a 5-mark question they will ask. Independence. Independence contain how many letters? Total number of arrangements. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 12 factorial by. I repeated how many times? Only one time. N repeated 1, 2, 3, 3 times. 3 factorial. E repeated 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 times. Any other letter repeated? D repeated 2 times. Correct now? That's it. If you solve this, 166, 3200 will come. Now we will start the question, first question. This is not the first question. For doing total arrangements, they will give 1 mark. Now we will start the first question. What is the first question? Do the words start with P? Do words start with P? So in independence, except P, still how many letters are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 factorial by. In that, P if you close, till how many letters are there? D repeated how many times? 2 times. E repeated 3 times. N repeated 2 times. E repeated 4 times. 4 factorial into 3 factorial into 2 factorial. What you will get answer? 138600. What I am supposed to say is, in the independence close P, still how many letters are there? 11. In that, D repeated how many times? 2 times. E repeated 4 times. N repeated 3 times. 3 factorial into 4 factorial into 2 factorial. You will get the answer. That is the first question. We will move to the second question. What is the second one? Do all the vowels always occur together? All the vowels occur together. I, E, 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 E. 4 E's together. Remaining letters how many are there? D, P, N, D, N, C. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These are one letter. 7. 7 factorial by. In this D repeated how many times? 2 times. N repeated how many times? N repeated 3 times actually. So wrong I wrote. Total 12 no?
Yes, sir.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 plus this one. 8 factorial by. D repeated 2 times. N repeated 3 times. That's it. Okay. Into these vowels internally we can arrange in 5 factorial by. E how many times are there? 4 times. 4 factors. Understand? So what is the answer you will get? 16800. If you solve this you will get 16800. I repeat one more time. All vowels together as one letter. These are 7 letters. Total 8 letters we can arrange in 8 factorial ways. By. In this D repeated 2 times, N repeated 3 times. Into 5 vowels we can arrange in 5 factorial ways. In the D repeated how many times? 4 times, 4 factorial. That is the third question. Third one. How I am writing in the board, you can write like that in the examination, then only they will give full marks. Simply in shortcut way if you write, you won't get marks. Okay. Do the word start with P like that. These boxes are important. Answer is not important. If you write this box only, we will give full marks because that box shows that you understand the concept. Okay. Each and every letter is important. Each and every box is important. Correct now. Next question. Do the vowels never occur together? Question number 3 they are given. Vowels never occur together means, first listen, total number of arrangements minus vowels occur together. Total number of arrangements already we know 166, 3200 minus vowels occur together 16800. What is the answer we will get? Understand?
Sir.
Total number of arrangements means 1646400. 1646400. Very easy to solve answer. And the last one. Let us fix I and P at the extreme ends. What they said? Do the words begin with I, end with P. Question number 4. Start with I, end with P. Middle how many letters are there? 10 letters. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 letters we can arrange in 10 factorial by. In that, D repeated how many times? 3 times. 2 times. N repeated 3 times. E repeated 4 times. 10 factorial by 2 factorial into 3 factorial, 4 factorial. 12600. Understand? Like that you can solve the answer. It's very important 5-mark question in permutations. So these are the questions you need to remember in permutation combinations. Minimum compulsory you can practice this question. Definitely you will get 5 marks, 2 marks, 3 marks and 4 marks. So dear students, tomorrow I will start the binomial theorem chapter and I will discuss the binomial theorem questions tomorrow's class. So that's all about today's class. See you all, have a nice day. Bye bye. Your PK sir signing off. Please press bell button for regular updates.